Ultimate AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner 2020. Description: pass the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification CLFCO1. Amazon Web Services Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam. Requirements: no AWS Cloud experience is necessary. We use the AWS free tier. No IT prerequisites required. Web Development Fundamentals: HTML5 and CSS3 for beginners. Description: learn HTML plus CSS basics and jumpstart your web development journey. Requirements: no prerequisites, only a willingness to learn is required. Video conferencing, Zoom, Skype, WebEx, tech presentation skills. Description: improve your presentation skills and tech skills for all your online video meetings, conferences, and webinars. Requirements: computer with webcam. Affiliate marketing and organic SEO in 2020, the fast track. Description: be a successful affiliate and earn a passive income. Learn to build a website, write content, and rank well with SEO. Requirements: have an internet connection and computer. Have access to a spreadsheet program such as MS Excel, Google Docs, or OpenOffice. Basics of communication for CA, CMA, CS, finance exams. Description: short and sweet course to understand the basics of business correspondence and reporting. Requirements: no prior requirements. Intro to Adobe Color, Spark, Rush, and Photoshop Express. Description: learn how to use Adobe's free software tools, Adobe Color, Adobe Spark, Adobe Rush, and Photoshop Express editor. Requirements: no experience required. This course is taught in English. CSS3 and Bootstrap for absolute beginners. 4 courses in one. Description: learn CSS3, Bootstrap from scratch using step-by-step process. Requirements: HTML knowledge required. Mastering Agile Scrum Workshop. Description: learn Agile Scrum Master concepts for 2020 and 2021. Requirements: should have minimum 2 years of project management experience. Should know basics of software development lifecycle, SDLC. A laptop, PC, tablet, smartphone or smart TV. A good pair of headphone. Adobe Premiere Pro, video editing for beginners. Description: learn how to edit amazing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro with zero experience. Requirements: read and agree to the terms of service. See website. This course is taught using Adobe Premiere Pro CC, Creative Cloud. You can still do this course if you are using a previous version of Premiere Pro. 2020 YouTube hack: paying for engagement, not only clicks. Description: take advantage of YouTube's biggest mistake and attract targeted visitors for free using their advertising platform. Requirements: not having been banned by AdWords before.